Yo, 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 what it do, guys? What it do, what it do, what it do? It's the big GBT back at you again with another Traxxas Rustler VXL Velinion 3500 kV 110 scale 4-pole electric brushless stadium truck speed run, and it's the 7th speed run video. I'm gonna try to crack 71 and over today, guys, so hope you enjoy this video. Hope everyone's having a great time. It's a nice sunny day over here. Let's get the show on the road, folks. What? I mean, what am I doing? All right, guys, so that run was 69.4. Let's see if we can get better than 69.4 miles per hour. Now, as you guys noticed, I did 70.1 just a few days ago, so we're gonna try to crack 71 miles per hour, 72 miles per hour today. guys, there's some black kid on a skateboarding in the middle of the street. He knows I'm running my damn car and he doesn't care anyways, but I'm sure when he sees it passing, you know, he tries to be careful, because if it clips him in his leg, he's gonna be falling on his ass. Anyways, so I'm just letting the motor cool right now, guys. Don't trip. Just got the car aside. Once again, 69.4. We're gonna try to break 71 and over. And is it still recording? It looks like it is. Now, if you guys can tell, I got a different angle this time because, well, I just want to switch up the angle today of the camera. See what you guys think about it. I know it's not as good, but anyways, guys, it's what I'm gonna do for today, and then starting tomorrow and throughout, I'll go back to the regular angle. All right, guys, so that run was 69.6 miles per hour. So did I say miles per hour? Miles per hour. So from 69.4, I went to 69.6. So I went 0.2 miles per hour faster this time. So we are pretty much right at 70. But I'm assuming we're gonna get at least 70.2, 70.5 today, maybe 70, maybe 71.0. We'll see. I'm trying to shoot for that 71 to 72. So once again, guys, I am running the 3S LiPo Vant battery. I've been talking about it in numerous videos and in my community posts. If you guys haven't checked out my community posts, check them out. Usually I'm normally regularly uploading. But anyways, I just did 69.6, guys. Sorry if I'm a little quieter in today's video. I'm normally not as quiet. I'm normally talking a lot more and I'm talking about different things, but I know you guys are just on YouTube to see speed runs. When it comes to speed runs, that is, and you watch people's speed run videos, you don't really want to hear too much talking. You just want to see action. So I'm delivering you guys action, but you guys got to understand that when motor temperatures soar rocket high, during speed runs, you got to let your car cool down a little bit. So I'm not trying to, get you guys all bored and get you guys thinking that I'm not trying to entertain you all, but once again, you guys got to understand I'm geared high. I'm geared 3276, 48 pitch gears, 3500 kV 4-pole motor, and it definitely brings on a lot of heat when you're trying to go fast, guys. So keep that in mind, and always know that I'm always trying to deliver some of the best speedrun videos for you guys. All right, guys. Speedrun will continue in the next minute or two. Let's get the show on the road again. I give it another half minute, then I'm going to continue. All right, guys. Like I said, I'm sure you saw that police car roll by, but wasn't because of me. Now I didn't do 70 for some reason. I'm not getting 70 today. I mean, it's just because, you know, obviously the tires are wearing down too. I do a lot of hardcore runs, guys, so you got to be mindful of that. You got to understand that when you're doing a lot of speed runs, your tread on your tires will wear down tremendously. It doesn't matter what kind of tire you're using, off-road, on-road. These are on-road asphalt tires for speed runs. But anyways, Traxxas Anacondas, of course, all four, front and rear, and 69.6 was still the speed. So 69.6. Well, I probably just did about 67 to 68 just now. But anyways, hopefully we can crack 70 or 71 today. Anyways, guys, I think this is going to be the cutoff point for the video for today, and I might come out with the Traxxas Revo 116 VXL. Try to hit 54 to 55 for you guys today. So if I do come out that video, I'll of course upload some pictures before I do it. Unfortunately, I didn't do that with this video, but this is the 7th Traxxas Rustler VXL 3500 kV 4-pole electric brushless stadium truck run. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Today's numbers were 69.4 miles per hour and 69.6 miles per hour. Now, obviously, a few days ago, I cracked 70.1, but you know, that's because the tires were a little fresher, or I should say the wheels were a little fresher. And I held on to it for just a little bit longer, but it's dangerous, guys. I can end up slamming into a curb and breaking my RC car into a million pieces. But anyways, guys, I'm going to do the rest off camera. If I happen to do anything faster than what I just did, I'll post it regardless. And hopefully you guys enjoyed that speedrun video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace, y'all.